Good afternoon mga Junakis. If you think you have escaped me for today, no, you're wrong. We will still have our spelling words for the day. Okay? So, if you're ready, okay, I'm ready also. Okay, for now, just the same. I will give you 10 words that you need to spell. I need you to look for the definition, pronunciation, synonym, antonym, and the usage of the word. Okay, shall we start now? Okay. Kaiser, I see you haven't finished your I am a poem recitation. Obi, you still have some pending tasks, but you can do it. Especially the speaking engagement on the weekend. Okay? Okay. So let's start now. First word, discrete. Again, first word is discrete. Second word is absconded. Absconded. Third word is maxim. 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 Fourth word is dilemma. 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 Fifth word is lamentation. Lamentation. Sixth word is incognito. Incognito. Seventh word is pungent. 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 Eighth word is acoustic. 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 Ninth word is blasphemy. 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 10th word is excruciating. 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 So that's your 10 word for the day. I would like you to search for the definition, proper spelling, pronunciation, synonym, antonym, and usage of the word. Okay, well, let's make a review. First word is discrete. Second word is absconded. Third word is maxim. Fourth word is dilemma. Fifth word is lamentation. Sixth word is incognito. Seventh word is pungent. Eighth word is acoustic. Ninth word is blasphemy. 10th word is excruciating. So that's your 10 word for today. Again, Kaiser, I need you to give me a recital of the I am a poem. Obi, you know your task. Just do the proper thing during the weekend. Just do the recital during the weekend. So that's it. Okay, so that's your 10 word for today. Enjoy. Bye bye.